Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to switch from button navigation to gesture navigation on your Samsung Galaxy A25. Let's get started. So as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone and then go to this tab which is named display. Then scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named navigation bar. Click on it and here instead of buttons, choose the swipe gestures and then the buttons will disappear from your phone. Now let me show you how to use the swipe gestures. So the first home button, which you can see right here, is this gesture that you will swipe from the bottom of your phone a little bit up like this. So like this we can go home. Let's test it one more time. Now how to open recent apps. For that we would need to also swipe up, but we would need to hold our finger at the top point for a little, like this. Let me show you one more time. And now the last thing that you are used to on the panel is back button. So for example, let's open any website and now for example you would like to go back. For that we would need to swipe from the left side to the right side, just like this. And then you will go back. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.